Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Academy podcast. Today, we have a super fun topic, talking about your hobbies. We know many English learners want to speak about themselves, their free time, what they enjoy. So today, we will practice that together.
Yes, and don't worry, this episode is perfect for A1, A2 students. We will speak slowly, clearly, and use simple vocabulary. We will also repeat phrases, give examples, and practice real conversation.
Okay, Daniel, let's start simple. What are hobbies?
Good question. A hobby is something you like doing in your free time. For example, reading, dancing, cooking, playing games, taking photos.
Right. Everyone has at least one hobby. Even simple things like walking, listening to music, watching movies, these can all be hobbies.
Yes, and today we will talk about our hobbies, ask each other questions, describe activities, and explain why we like them. Okay, Sarah, tell me, what are your hobbies?
I have many hobbies, but my main hobby is reading books.
Reading. Nice. What kind of books do you like?
I really enjoy self-help books, novels, and sometimes biographies. Reading helps me relax, learn new ideas, and improve my English.
That's great. How often do you read?
Almost every day, usually in the evening before I go to bed. I read for 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Wow, that's a good habit.
Yes, it makes me feel calm. And actually, reading is my favorite hobby because I can travel to different worlds inside my mind.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like painting and drawing.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you like to paint?
I mostly draw flowers, landscapes, and sometimes people. But I'm not a professional. I do it for fun.
Do you use watercolor, pencil, or digital drawing?
Mostly watercolor. I love the soft colors. Painting helps me express my feelings.
That's beautiful.
And I also like walking in nature, walking in parks, around lakes, or in forests.
So you like peaceful hobbies.
Yes, calm hobbies make me happy. Now your turn. Daniel, what are your hobbies?
Well, I also have many hobbies. My biggest hobby is playing the guitar.
Oh, nice. How long have you been playing guitar?
For almost 10 years. I started when I was a teenager.
That's a long time. What songs do you like to play?
Mostly pop songs, some rock songs, and sometimes calm acoustic music. Music helps me relax and express myself.
Do you play every day?
Not every day, but maybe 3-4 times a week.
Do you have any sporty hobbies?
Yes, I really enjoy swimming.
Swimming, that's healthy.
Yes, I go to the swimming pool twice a week. Swimming is great for the body. It helps me stay fit and energetic.
Nice. Any other physical hobbies?
I also like cycling on weekends.
So you're an active person.
Yes, I enjoy moving my body. It gives me energy and makes me happy.
Do you have any home hobbies? Maybe cooking?
Yes, actually, cooking is one of my favorite hobbies.
Really? What do you like to cook?
I like cooking pasta, chicken dishes, and sometimes baking cakes.
Sounds delicious.
I like cooking because it's creative. You can mix ingredients and make something new every time.
True. Cooking is like art. What about technology? Do you have any tech hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy video editing and photography.
Oh, cool. Many people love these hobbies.
I like taking pictures of streets, buildings, sunsets, and people. I often edit my photos and post them online.
Do you use your phone or a camera?
Mostly my phone, but sometimes a camera.
Let's ask each other some simple hobby questions for our learners. Daniel, what do you like doing in your free time?
In my free time, I like playing guitar and going for bike rides. And you, Sarah, what do you like doing?
I like reading books and painting pictures.
Why do you think hobbies are important?
I think hobbies help us relax, reduce stress, and make life more fun.
Yes, hobbies also help us discover new talents and meet new people.
Let's describe one hobby in more detail. For example, reading. I like reading books. I usually read in the evening. I enjoy reading because it helps me learn new things. My favorite books are motivational books and novels. Reading makes me feel relaxed and happy.
I enjoy painting pictures. I paint with watercolor. I like painting nature and flowers. Painting is peaceful. It helps me express my ideas and emotions.
Daniel likes playing the guitar. He plays pop and rock music. He practices a few times a week. Music helps him relax.
Let's continue with more detailed conversation so our learners can hear many examples.
Good idea. Let's talk about hobbies step by step. How we started, how often we do them, what tools we use, how they make us feel.
Sarah, when did you start reading?
I started reading when I was a child, maybe 7 or 8 years old. At first, I read short stories. Later, I started reading bigger books.
And now you read every day?
Yes, reading is part of my routine. And when did you start playing guitar?
I started in school. My friend had a guitar. He taught me 3 simple chords, and I loved it.
That's how many hobbies start, very naturally.
I also want to learn a new hobby, yoga,
Yoga is good. Why yoga?
because it's healthy, relaxing, and good for the mind.
I also want to start a new hobby, learning languages.
Nice. Which language?
Maybe Spanish. It sounds beautiful.
Do you have any funny stories about your hobbies?
Yes. One time I tried baking a cake. It burned completely. The kitchen was full of smoke.
Oh, no! Did you eat it?
No, it was impossible. But now I am better at baking.
Do you do hobbies with friends?
Yes, sometimes I go cycling with friends, and sometimes we play music together.
That's fun. I sometimes paint with my cousin. Today, we talked a lot about hobbies. We used simple English, repeated many phrases, and gave examples.
Yes, now listeners can talk about their own hobbies too.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone, have a wonderful day.